This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and access. Power down the PC, unplug the PSU, then press the power button for a few seconds to bleed residual charge. Once done, ground yourself with a strap or by touching the metal chassis. This prevents electrostatic damage. Remove the side panel and move any cables obstructing the RAM area so you have clear sight lines. Make sure fans aren't spinning and that light sources let you see clips and screws. Now you're ready to start removing the heatsink. You'll now detach the heatsink. First, identify whether it's clipped, screwed, or part of a bracket system. If screws hold it, loosen them a little each in a diagonal pattern to equalize pressure. This prevents warping. If clips secure it, press or slide the clip mechanism while supporting the heatsink with your other hand. Make sure to support the RAM module by the edges, don't yank. If thermal pads stick, gently separate with a slow rocking motion to avoid pulling pads off the ICs. With the heatsink free, lift it straight up and avoid twisting because torque can bend contacts or PCB. Inspect the RAM gold fingers and PCB edges for nicks and remove thermal paste or pad residue from the module and heatsink using isopropyl alcohol. Replace thermal pads before reassembly if you plan to reuse the cooler. Reinstall the heatsink and secure fasteners evenly. If the system fails to post afterward, power off. Reseat the module and try one stick at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.